Good morning children. Welcome to Vijayawada's Navodaya Smart Kids. Children, today we are going to learn alphabet with pictures. Now see here children, alphabet. See here, in that first one, children, here we can see some capital letters, small letters and pictures also. So see here children, in the first one, see here, now what is this picture? Can anyone tell? Very good. This is an apple. Okay. What is this letter? Capital A. What is this? Capital A. Next, what is this letter? Small a. Very good. Capital A, small a. Repeat with me. Capital A, small a. Okay now? A for apple. See here. A for apple. And the next one is, see here. Capital B. What is this letter? Capital B. And the next one is, see here, small b. What is that? Small b. Children, can anyone tell what is that picture? Yes, it is ball. Very good. Capital B, small b. Again, capital B, small b. B for ball. B for ball. And the next one is B after C. Capital C. What is it? Capital C. See here now. Small c. Children, what is the picture here? See here. Our cat is there. See here now. C for cat. Again. C for cat. And the next one, C after D. Very good. C after D. What is this letter? Capital D. Again. Capital D. And the next, see here. Small d. Capital D and small d. D for? Yes, it is dog. D for dog. And next one, D after? E. What is this letter? Capital E. Very good. Say loud, Gemma. Capital E. Next, small e. Capital E, small e. And E for? Yes, very good. Elephant. Very good. E for elephant. E for elephant. And E after F. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. And F for fish. F for fish. Next, F after G. Capital G. What is this letter? Capital G. Now what is this one, children? Yes, it is small g. Very good. Capital G, small g. And G for girl. Very good. G for girl. Very good. And G after, can anyone tell? Yes, H. What is this letter? H. Capital H. What is this? Capital H. See here, then what is here? What is that letter? Small h. Again, capital H, small h. Repeat with me. Capital H, small h. And H for? Yes, hand. H for hand. Next, H after? Yes, ice cream. And ice cream. Very good. Very good. What is this letter? Capital I. What is that? Capital I. Here, small I. Very good. Some are telling I for ice cream. Very good. I for ice cream. Very good. J for joker. We can saw this man in circus. Okay. Capital J, small j. And J after, what is the next letter? See here, children. K. What is this letter? K. Capital K, small k. Again, repeat with me, children. Capital K, small k. And K for king. Very good. K for king. Next, K after, what are the next letter? Say, children. L. What is this letter? Very good. This is capital L. Capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. L for lion. L for Lion. Very good. And the next one, see here. L after yam. What is this letter? Yam. Ah, yes, this is mango. Very good. Yam. What is this letter? Capital yam. What is this? Capital yam. And next one, you see here. Small yam. Small yam. Capital yam. Small yam. Yam for mango. Yam for mango. Next, yam after letter N. What is this letter, children? N. Capital N. What is this letter? Capital N. And the next one is small n. Repeat with me. Small n. And N for nest. See here. N for nest. Next. N after O. Very good. Capital O. Small o. Repeat with me, children. Capital O. Small o. O for owl. O for owl. And next one, O after. What is that? P. What is that? P. Very good. Capital P. Small p. See here. This is capital P and small p. Yes, parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. And next, P after letter Q. What is that? Q. Capital Q. What is that? Capital Q. See, queen. Yes, she is a queen. Very good. Capital Q. See here. And this one is small q. What is this, children? Small q. Q for queen. Very good. Q for queen. And the next one is, see here. R. Rabbit is hopping. Very good. Capital R. What is this letter? Capital R. See here next. What is this one? Yes. It is small r. Capital R. Small r. Very good, children. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. And next one. Next. What is next letter? Yes. What is that? Yes. This is capital S. Small s. Capital S. Small s. S for spider. What is this one? Spider. And next one. S after T. What is this letter, children? T. What is that? Capital T. What is that? Capital T. Yes, it is small t. Very good, children. Small t. Capital T. Small t. T for time. Very good. T for time. I think all of you wear tie when you are coming to school. Yes, that is tie. T for time. And the next one, T after U. What is this letter? U. Yes, umbrella. Capital U. What is that letter, children? Capital U. And next one, see here, small u. What is that? Small u. Capital U. Small u. See here, U for umbrella. Again, U for umbrella. Next, U after V. What is this letter? V. Capital V. What is that? Capital V. Yes, that is our school bus. Capital V. And next one, see here, small v. What is that? Small v. V for van. Very good. V for van. And the next one, V after W. That is capital W. What is this one? Capital W. And the next one is, see here, small w. What is that? Small w. W for wolf. What is that? W for wolf. Okay, very good. Next, W after, what is the next letter? X. What is that? X. That is capital X. See here, capital X and then small x. Capital X and small x. X for xylophone. What is that? X for xylophone. And the next one, X after Y. What is that? Y. That is capital Y. What is this one? Capital Y. And the next one is small y. What is this? Small y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Next one. And y after, what is the last letter? Z. That is Z. This is zebra. Very good. Z. Capital Z. Small z. Capital Z. Small z. Very good. That is Z for zebra. Very good. Z for zebra. Repeat with me. Z for zebra. Children, these are the alphabet and the picture that what we learn in this class. Okay children, thank you. Bye children.